The base Pixel 11 gets thinner, lighter, and a redesigned all-black camera bar. The 11 Pro and the 11 Pro XL are pretty much the same as last year, but the Pro Fold sheds real weight and thickness, but obviously it's still chunkier than the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Under the hood, the Tensor G6 chip built on a 2nm process by TSMC, putting Google ahead of both Apple and Qualcomm on node size. Google is finally ditching Samsung's modems for MediaTek's flagship, the M90. So we can expect better signal, less overheating issues, and a better battery life. But the weird one is the base Pro and Pro XL are both dropping from 16 gigs of RAM down to just 12. Which is weird. We also have Samsung's new M16's OLED panels across the Pro line, which pushes the peak brightness all the way to 3600 nits.
And for cameras, the base Pixel 11 might lose its 5x telephoto lens,
but instead it might get a new 50 megapixel main sensor with possibly a 30x AI-powered super zoom.
For the Pro models, however, we don't really have a clear idea or leaked about what to expect. So we're gonna have to see next week, I guess. Batteries might actually be shrinking on the Pro and Pro XL, but the charging speed jumps to 45 watts on both models, which is a real upgrade in my opinion.
We're also gonna get a brand new ambient light system built right into the camera bar, tied to Gemini, changing colors for notifications, and it's probably going to be called the Pixel Glow. That's pretty much every leak we've got. So which one has you most hyped?